Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on notifications for add to your post submissions on the Instagram app when using your PC. If you've been missing updates or want to stay instantly informed when someone interacts with your post in this way, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that to open the main menu. From there, look for the Settings option and click on it. This will take you into the area where you can control your account preferences and notifications. Now, inside Settings, find and select Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you manage what alerts you receive and how you receive them. Next, click on Push Notifications. This section controls the notifications that pop up on your device in real time. Scroll through the options until you find Add to Post Submissions. Once you locate it, simply select the On option. This ensures that you'll receive notifications whenever there's activity related to adding to your post. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for Add to Post Submissions on Instagram using your PC.